How to fix Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing. If the auto scroll option is not available on your Instagram app, follow these steps. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for the Instagram app. Now look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. If there's an update option available, click on the update option to update your app. Once you have updated your app, go back to your home page, navigate to your Instagram app and open it on your device. Go to your profile section and tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down to the very bottom. At the very bottom, you should see an option called Help. If none of these options are working, then you can report a problem or take help from Instagram. Select the first option, Report a Problem. Now select the option Report Problem without shaking. Again at the bottom, click on Include and Continue. Here you can briefly explain your problem. Additionally, you can also attach screenshots if you have. Once you send the message, just wait patiently. Follow the instructions given by Instagram and you will be able to find that option quickly. So that's all for today. Thank you.